Hello everyone, welcome back to Miss Ming's channel. Welcome to another Plan With Me video. This video has been long due. I filmed this video last month at the very beginning of December when I submitted my dissertation, but I never got a chance to actually voice over and edit this video. But this planning spread is a winter themed spread. It's still January, it's still winter, so I hope it's still relevant. I really love how this spread turned out, and also this week is very important for me because I submitted my doctoral dissertation. So regardless if anyone wants to watch it, I want to film this for my memory. Alright, before we start, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. Let's get started. Because it's December, I wanted to do a very winter themed but not so much of a Christmas themed because it's not Christmas yet at the time of filming this video. So I wanted to do something with light blue because I felt like it's like the color of snow. It doesn't really snow here in San Antonio. Actually, I don't really even like snow, but I do like the color theme. Hope it makes sense. When I first started planning, I just like picked out my favorite color and I just put the stickers there, and my color scheme is like here and there. But now as I've filmed more planning with me, and I started to notice that like sometimes it's better that you choose a cohesive theme for the spread. So for this spread, I chose this light blue as my theme, and also I chose all of the stickers that go with that. Also, I felt like it's very expensive to buy stickers from the Etsy shop, so I usually use the stickers from the sticker book from the Michaels Recollections or the Happy Planner sticker book. So for this spread, I used the Happy Planner sticker book. I layered the background. For Monday, I put down a box sticker that says Ghost Matte because that was the day I actually submitted my doctoral dissertation to Procrast. And then I put down some full box stickers just to note down the things that I want to remind myself for that week. It has some appointments and things like that. I do want to highlight them using these box stickers. And then I put some stickers from the Tiny Petite sticker book to both decorate the boxes and also to symbolize like when I want to go to the gym or work out to lift weights and things like that. Now that I'm looking back to the planner spread that I did before I graduated, it's kind of like a bittersweet type of feeling when I'm looking back to like the research projects and the things that I've been doing for my graduate school. And then I pulled out a sticker sheet from the Michaels Happy Planner. I feel like it's really confusing. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with this. Like either you like take it out. Basically it has like stickers, but then it's like you can like take the middle like I don't know, it's like a sticker. I don't really understand the concept of this sticker sheet. So I was like struggling quite a bit to see if I want to take out the flamingos and then the box and then the frame. I don't know, it's kind of weird. So I've been struggling here a little bit because this is the first time I ever used a sticker. And then I took out a Create 365 Happy Planner sticker book about productivity, and I used a meeting box to cover the flamingo. I don't really know why the flamingo can fit there because it's like a summer type of animal. I don't know. Basically, I took out a sticker that says meeting because I had a meeting at 6:45 to meet my colleague Vicky to talk about a research project, and then we both went to the gym. And then I took out a sticker from the productivity sticker book that says #goals because I actually substitute for bowling on Tuesday in the evening after like 6:20 or something like that. So I wanted to bowl well because like if I don't bowl well, my husband will get mad because bowling is like the most important thing for him. And then for Wednesday, I took out another full box sticker from the Happy Planner sticker book that says 1, 2, 3. Basically, I listed the 3 things I needed to do on Wednesday morning. I filmed a video on Wednesday morning and then I went to a 12 o'clock spinning class and then I picked up the caps and gown. Actually, I missed the spinning class by a little bit, but I did go to the gym, so that was a plus. Then I flipped through the Happy Planner sticker sheet to try to find a sticker that goes with Wednesday because I wanted to put down something to remind myself of my to-do list. And then I ended up choosing a sticker from the productivity sticker book because I want to put down the priority for the week, because after I submitted my dissertation, basically I don't have to work on that anymore because it's like final, you submit it to the Procrast database. But then I need to focus on publishing my dissertation. Also, I need to co-write a ELL paper to publish with one of my mentor professor. And then I need to do things about the Vlogmas because I do want to participate in the Vlogmas. Actually, like I was so tired the entire month of December because all of my school responsibilities, preparing for my new job, and trying to upload every single day. I think for the 31 days in December, I only missed one day, and that was a bowling day, so I couldn't really edit things out. So I missed one day only. I'm pretty proud of myself. Flipping over to the other side for Thursday and Friday, actually I taught my last class at UTSA on Thursday. It was really sad. I had to say goodbye to my students. It was the final presentation day and I couldn't find a sticker that I wanted to use for that particular day, so I ended up choosing something for Friday. You can tell that I struggle a lot right here in terms of like which to-do list to go, and I ended up like covering what I did for Friday because I didn't like how it turned out. It felt a little bit awkward, but it was okay. Life, it's not perfect. Planning is not perfect. That's why we plan, right? We make mistake ahead so that we don't make mistake in practice. On Friday, originally I planned to go to yoga and then pick up some food from Costco and go to the last potluck that I do at UTSA because I'm starting a new job. However, I was invited to a potluck at my new job on Thursday. So of course I need to go to the new job because like it's really nice of my new boss to invite me to participate in those social events. So and ended up not going to yoga or Costco, and I ended up missing my last potluck at UTSA, but that was okay. So after the potluck at my new job, I had to rush back to UTSA because I provided a training with the new teaching assistant who did not use the watermark system. So as like I'm leaving, I felt like it's necessary to help them out because like definitely when I first started, I needed a lot of help. For Thursday, I chose a sticker from the Happy Planner sticker sheet. Basically, this is an academic sticker sheet. All of the stickers are related to academics. Well, it's pretty sad that I didn't use all of the stickers and now I am out of school, but I'm sure I can use like stickers that has like deadlines and things like that because I will have deadlines and dues for my work. And then I chose a really cool sticker that has like pencils and then it says stay sharp, sharpening pencils. I know, it's like pretty interesting. I don't know, maybe I'm just too dorky. And then I found another 1, 2, 3 box sticker that like listed things I wanted to achieve on Thursday because I wanted to be able to work out and work on the 2 papers and also went to go to a Zumba and core class. I also have a evening appointment that day as well. And then I went back to Friday to finish up some Friday tasks. Basically, I wanted to use the Friday afternoon after the training to work on other things. For example, to like work on the research project and also some writing. And then I went to my friend's daughter's house to help her with her homework. And also my friend cooked for me, free dinner on Friday night. For Saturday, I was looking for a sticker that can like really indicate that it's the weekend because I've had a long week. I found a weekend banner from the sticker sheet that came with the planner, and I put down teaching Chinese because I do volunteer at a very little community to teach Chinese. There are not many students, so it's not super tiring. And then for Sunday, I wanted to slip in a little bit, and then I needed to film on Sunday because Sunday is my filming day. Because the way our house is facing, basically one side of our house and windows, they face the east and the other side face the west. So basically, if I want to film, I have to film in the morning, or I could go to the other side of the house to film after 3 o'clock. So it's kind of weird that like sometimes like if I don't wake up early, I don't get to film. Saturday was a very exciting day because my photographer friend was kind enough to agree to take my graduation photos. It was so much fun. We had a lot of fun at UTSA. Basically, we went through all of the places that I either studied or worked at UTSA. After the photo shoot, I took her to one of my favorite Chinese restaurants in town, and then we had Chinese food. Well, there was no sticker that indicate Chinese food, so I put down a sushi sticker indicate that it's at least Asian food. And then initially I planned to clean the house and then put up the Christmas tree, but it did not happen because I was so tired after the photo shoot because I was like standing and walking for the entire time for like 4 to 6 hours. And then we went to dinner and then we had a long talk. So like at the end I came home very late at like 9:30 and something, and I was like super tired, so I didn't get to clean the house. Actually, we didn't get to have a Christmas tree this Christmas because we were both so busy, but that is okay, that is life. Sunday, I first put down a to-do list sticker to list all of the tasks that I needed to do on Sunday, including grading the assignment paper, working on publication, and then I put down a sticker from the Squad Girl Happy Planner sticker book for decoration purposes. And then I just like put some other stickers here and there just to decorate the spread. And finally, to block the lines on the side and also underneath, I put down some habit trackers and also the washi tapes. I feel like those lines on the sides are super extra because like they basically have no function. Like what should I write down there? I don't know, but it just looks really nice when you have some washi tapes to decorate and also have a habit tracker to track your habits. Alright, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I really like the way this spread turned out. I know this video is long due, but I really wanted to edit this out just because I wanted to like save it for my memory purposes. And I also wanted to inspire you to create some creative winter spread. Alright, that's it for today. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and ring the notification bell. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!